your subscribers. They will tell you how to know Instagram profile viewers, so exactly you won't know who just viewed your profile on Instagram. So there are many applications that will tell you that also you could see it, but it's fake, because if you just didn't add some link to your bio, and this user won't follow this link, so you won't be able for seeing that he or she just viewing your profile. So exactly, this program is just working on likes and commenting your posts. So also everyone understands that if person just like you or commenting on your post, so also this person could open your page. So and this application will show to you that actually this person just viewing your profile. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.